I get this question all the time. Devin, what's the leanest YouTube automation setup that still works if you have a full-time job? The short answer is one channel, one format, one video a week, and only one thing delegated. Here's the framework. First, pick one repeatable video format, not 5, 1. Q&A, faceless explainer, screen record tutorial, whatever you can outline fast without reinventing the process every time. Second, run a 2-block week. Block 1 is idea and outline time, 45 minutes. Block 2 is production, 90 minutes. That's it. If your system needs daily attention, it's too heavy for someone with a job. Third, keep your creative bottleneck in-house and delegate the mechanical bottleneck. Usually that means you choose topics and approve the hook, but editing, packaging, drafts, captions, and upload prep can be templated or outsourced. My rule is simple. If a task repeats 3 times and doesn't need your personal taste, automate it or hand it off. The lean stack is basically this. One running ID. If you want that all-in-one workflow layer, that's where Satura fits. And last part, don't optimize for volume first. Optimize for consistency. You can actually survive for 90 days. One solid weekly upload beats an ambitious system you quit in 2 weeks.